Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Netdata dashboards on VPS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the login process for your Netdata dashboards on your VPS, you first need to access your VPS. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or Terminal on Mac or Linux to connect. Enter your VPS's IP address in the SSH client. If prompted, log in using your username and password. Once logged in, ensure that Netdata is installed on your VPS. You can do this by typing the command, netdata. If it's running correctly, you should see response messages indicating that the service is active. Next, open your web browser to access the Netdata dashboards. In the address bar, type your VPS's IP address followed by the port number 19999. It should look like this: http://your_VPS_IP 19999. Press enter to load the Netdata dashboard. You will see various metrics displayed in real time. If prompted for a username and password, enter the default credentials. Typically, the username is admin and the password is admin. For security reasons, consider changing these default credentials after logging in. Explore the dashboard to monitor system performance and health metrics. Familiarize yourself with the different sections, such as CPU, memory, and network statistics. For detailed information, hover over the graphs and charts. By following these steps, you can successfully log into your Netdata dashboards on your VPS. Now you are ready to monitor and manage your server's performance effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.